Okay guys, this is lesson 10 from chapter 3. This is basically about using a charge account, credit cards. A lot of people get in trouble nowadays with too much credit card debt. So I think it's important that you guys know this, how banks will, or credit card companies will end up, or how you can end up in bad credit card debt. And banks and credit card companies don't care as long as you are paying the interest, which is free money to them. That's how they make their money. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to go right to exercise A of how this works. Okay. So your current balance for a Electro over here is $245.78. The minimum payment is $10. The monthly interest rate is 1.5%. So we're going to find, when you apply the minimum payment, what the unpaid balance will be, the interest charged, and then what the new balance will be. So the unpaid balance means you're just going to subtract the current balance from the minimum payment. So $245.78 minus 10 will give me $235.78. Okay, the interest charge now I'm going to multiply by 1.5%. And again, 1.5% is a decimal. You would put that over 100 and you would get 0.015. So I'm going to multiply 235.78 times 0.015, and I get $3, and I'm going to round it up to 54 cents. So now the new balance is going to be, adding those two up, to $235.78 plus $3.54, which is $239.32. So in other words, even though you made the minimum payment of $10, the new interest charged on it is basically $3.50. So you actually only paid $6.50 to start paying that off, that unpaid balance. And the workbook activity is the same. Okay. So if your balance is 100, your payment is 20. It means your unpaid balance, you're going to subtract those. So you're at $80. $80. Your interest rate per month is 1.2%, which is 0.012. So your interest is going to be 80 times 0.012, which is 96 cents. So now you're going to multiply the 80 times that. And now you're going to add the unpaid balance to the interest, and it's going to be $80.96. Now they're giving you low interest rates here. Credit card interest rates usually are in the 20s. They're like 24 to 30% interest rate. If you only pay the minimum payment, so let's just say, for instance, it's a 30% interest rate. Okay. You pay $20, so your unpaid balance is $80. 30% on 80, so if you go to your calculator, 80 times 0.30, that's 30%, is $24, which means if you add the 24 plus the 80, you are now at $104. So you're not even paying it off. It keeps going up if you pay just the minimum. That's how the credit card companies get you. That's how Americans get in a lot of debt and a lot of trouble. I just thought it was important for you to know that. And that is Chapter 3, Section 10 on credit cards.